Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Razzle Dazzle Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be replacing our door bushings. The stock ones can get worn out after a while, and then it kind of creates a little extra noise from the door when you shut it, and then it also loses some rigidity due to the convertible and all that stuff. So we're going to swap these out. The Miata has a flat tire from doing a dismal burnout. Did a burnout on the gravel. Must have knocked something loose, because now we got a leak. Looks like the Miata is getting some new tires. So I'm looking at getting some new tires. If anybody has any suggestions on some good ones, that'd be great. Throw them down in the comments. Yeah, let's get to replacing these bad boys. So currently, this is what the door sounds like. We're just gonna do a couple test ones. All right, so here's the bushing that we're gonna be replacing with this bad boy. Fits over there, and then it mates up right in here. So that will slide right in there. Create a nice, good fit. All right, so these are just a 10 mil socket. Oh. The new one fits right on there. Now there is some adjustability up and down on this, so we're just gonna close the door and make sure that it fits perfectly in there. Otherwise, torque these down to the appropriate spec. Click! Yep, torqued. Then just for visual purposes, that was what the top of it looked like, and there's the bottom. You can see it was getting pretty worn out, so I'm happy we replaced it. It's a really cheap part. I think it was like $5 or $10 or whatever off of Amazon. So we'll go do the other side. Whoops. Well, that's not good. Well, it seems we have lost a mirror. I think the glue just finally wore out, so I guess that's next on the list. Fix the mirror. Fix the mirror and get some wheels so we can go driving. The weather's finally getting nice out, so. But we'll go do the other side, the other door bushing first. And we'll deal with the rest of it later. All right, we got that one installed too. Let's hope this mirror doesn't fall off. Oh yeah, like a glove. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode. I said it's gonna be a short one. Just had to swap those out. Trying to decide what I want to do next, whether it's fluid changes on the diff, transmission, and coolant, and then eventually clutch and brake fluid as well. Outside of that, just gonna look for some tires. So you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you on the flippy flop.